Hey there guys, Artistic Nick, thanks for the click. In today's drawing tutorial video, I'm going to be drawing Darth Vader using my Copic markers. I found an image online and I thought I'd really test myself with this drawing. It wasn't a request from anybody, so this was sort of a drawing that I'd like to have done myself. I really wanted to see if I could get a shiny look with the Copic markers. Obviously I've been doing a lot of YouTube videos in the past just with graphite and pencils, and I know how to get a shiny look with those, but working with this new medium I thought it would be really interesting, and I really wanted to try and test myself out. So I had a quick doodle a few nights ago, and then I thought actually I think I could probably do quite a good job of this. So here we go. This is my Darth Vader Copic marker drawing. I used a black. I used the Cool Grey 3, 5 and 7 in the Copic markers, and I also used for this drawing, in the first time actually that I've done this, I used some coloured pencil crayons as well. So I used a black and a Kingfisher blue just to give a blue tint to the reflections in Darth Vader's helmet. I think it looked fantastic towards the end. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm really looking to go for sort of that photorealistic poster look, and I'm quite close to it, I think. Obviously as an artist you're never fully happy with anything that we've done. We can always see our slight mistakes and things that we would make better next time, but overall I'm really happy with this. This was quite a long drawing actually. This took me 3 days to do, so in total hours spent on it were probably about 9 to 10 hours on this. So again, it was my most ambitious Copic marker drawing so far. Still nothing like my graphite drawings, which can sometimes take upwards of 30-35 hours. But this one did feel like a long time, just trying to blend and get the gradations how I wanted them. Now, one tip that I've got for you guys is if you want to blend black, you must go through your greys as well as the black. So what I found was going from black to a Cool Grey 7 to then the Cool Grey 5 and then the Cool Grey 3, and then going over the rest of it with the Cool Grey 3, the lightest shade that I was using, gave me that gradation, and it allowed me to get that dimension exactly the same way that you would do with a graphite pencil. Obviously what you do with your graphite pencils is you're going to be using different grades of pencil, so you might go from an HB to a 2B to a 4B and a 6B, and I'm doing exactly the same thing there. But it's very important not to overdo the black, because the black really does give you a flat look. So inside that helmet, if I was using graphite, I might have got a slightly more of a gradation in there to make that look an inside rounded edge. But obviously with the black Copic markers, you are restricted once you've gone to the black. I used a Signo Broad pen, which is almost like a Tipp-Ex, just to give some highlights. The reflections in the very centre of Darth Vader's helmet there were just completely white paper, so I left that completely white, and that really does give a nice shine to it, so I was quite happy with that. Overall, like I say, I'm really pleased with how this drawing turned out. It's the first time that I've tried to draw Darth Vader. I've done a few cartoon versions of Darth Vader, Darth Maul and some Star Wars characters in the past, so if you'd like to check those out, they're quite easy. I taught you through how we get the proportions and things in the right place, but this is the first time that I've done a really detailed Darth Vader, and like I say, I'm quite happy with how it turned out. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you so much for clicking that thumbnail. It means an awful lot to me. I am a small but growing YouTube channel. I'm really enjoying doing the Copic marker work so far. I've had some fantastic requests recently. So if you've got anything you'd like me to draw, don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I hope you would subscribe to my channel, or at least consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the notifications icon, because I am aiming to do daily videos. We're almost ending the drawing here. I think I end with a photograph of the final drawing, but don't forget to find me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I'm on all the social media platforms. You can find details of all of those in the descriptions below. And before we get to the end, I just want to thank you so much for watching the video right through to this point. I hope you like the drawing. I'm really happy with it, and I'll see you guys either on the social media platforms or in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Hit subscribe. smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.